Hey, welcome to Master None Garage. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to be bringing the desk Comet build to Minnesota, and I'll tell you how I lost one of the pieces on the way. Alright, so we're fueling up here, and well, I'll tell you what, we had a Hoosier right on top of this desk with this strap holding it down. Well, this strap broke and the Hoosier went that way, and it's somewhere in between Kentucky and Indiana, so who knows. Someone out there is probably going to get a free Hoosier. But we're on our way to get another set of Hoosiers right south of Milwaukee, and then we'll be on our way to Minneapolis to drop this thing off for good. So here we go. All right, so good news, everyone.
Good news, everyone.
A man by the name of Jim saved my tail. Because he had the only set of Hoosiers in probably, I don't know, 500-mile radius of where we're staying in Indiana. But so we picked him up. Jim, thank you. If you're watching this, you're a hell of a guy, and you know, you saved my tail on this one. So we're on our way to Minnesota now. We're about a little over 5 hours from getting there. So yep, you know, there's my dad. He's eating some foods. You know, gotta stay foods up, even though McDonald's hardly qualifies as food. It's more like edible ingredients. Yeah. But anyways, next up, golf cart place in Minnesota. Well, we made it, and here we are. This place looks familiar. Hey, he's got a sweet Blazer for sale. It's pretty sweet. It's 2 doors. Last time we were here, it was all icy and whatnot all over the place. I think
Hello?
he's got it open. Okay. Let's do a little backup maneuver. Oh yeah, you can hold it. And there we are. We're here. Oh,
Andrew!
hello again. It was a very
Hi, everybody!
very rough trip.
It looks like it.
Yeah, kind of rattled some things apart.
A little bit of an uh-oh trip.
Yeah, it rattled the steering.
Let's get it
Oh,
over.
and I got a surprise for you. You know how the tire exited the trailer that way, right? Okay, so just go around that way. So we only have one Hoosier.
You only got one Hoosier?
Yeah, so I come up with a solution.
So you found a couple more.
Old Jim helped us out.
And you had to tell him the funny story.
I did.
You did? Yeah.
I did. Yeah! All right, so it's finished, and Rich is a happy rich. She looks so good. So good. I'm kind of jealous. I kind of want it in my potential office later on in life.
I haven't seen the door yet. Awesome. Yep. I gotta find out where to hang that at.
I cleared the whole door.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love that. That is. Hey, you know, too bad you didn't grab the passenger door too, because. Too late now. Wait, I could have rolled the windows up.
That's funny. Yeah, I actually cut off like this amount of fender. You wouldn't know that though, right?
No, I didn't know you cut. I did not think you cut any fender.
I rolled the edge.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so you don't slice your arm open. Yeah.
It's definitely beautiful.
It's something.
Love
It's something.
Nobody else has one of these.
No. So you just wanna, let's do an outro.
Outro?
Yeah.
Why do I do that?
Okay, so you know, that's it for this episode. I'm gonna leave you with some footage, and if you liked what you saw today, please like, share, and
bye everybody.
also subscribe.